With no aviation degrees, no engineering credentials, and no access to aerospace facilities and parts. Moreover, many of these builders came from places where even getting close to an aircraft is a challenge. Yet they shared one powerful dream: to fly. Instead of waiting for an opportunity, they created their own. From cramped home garages and makeshift workshops, they designed and built aircraft with their own hands. Some performed so well that, without being told, few people would ever believe they were built by amateurs. So buckle up as we explore some of the most incredible homemade eVTOL flying cars ever created. In a modest garage tucked away in rural China, one determined inventor set out to accomplish something that sounds like science fiction, transforming an ordinary road car into a fully functional flying vehicle. Working with limited resources but plenty of ingenuity, he turned an everyday automobile into an experimental aircraft in just a matter of days, proving that innovation can emerge from the most unexpected places. At first glance, the machine appears unusual, with multiple drone-style propellers mounted around the vehicle. Yet any doubts quickly disappear the moment it takes to the skies. The home-built drone car lifts off smoothly from the ground, demonstrating an impressive level of balance and control. Once airborne, it hovers steadily, maintaining remarkable stability before carrying out a careful and precise landing. Watching the vehicle rise above a rough, makeshift launch area surrounded by ordinary parked cars makes the achievement even more striking. What makes this project particularly fascinating is the contrast between its humble origins and its ambitious goal. Built far from major research labs or corporate engineering centers, the flying car highlights the creativity and determination of independent innovators. Man-Trajander Copter. There comes a moment in almost everyone's life when they look at a bird soaring overhead and think, "I wish I could do that." While most people settle for booking a window seat on an airplane, one determined inventor decided that was not nearly adventurous enough. This homemade flying machine proves some dreams are simply too stubborn to stay on the ground. Built by German creator Andreas Janssen, this remarkable DIY multicopter became an online sensation thanks to its bold engineering and fearless design. Calling it a giant drone almost feels unfair. The first thing you'll notice is its jaw-dropping layout. Instead of sitting comfortably inside a cockpit, the pilot is suspended beneath 4 enormous propellers, positioned right between the aircraft's sturdy legs. But beneath its unconventional appearance lies some serious engineering. 4 powerful Madtox 120100 motors, each producing an impressive 25 kilowatts of power, work together with lightweight helix carbon fiber propellers to lift both machine and pilot into the air. A high-strength 40 by 40 millimeter aluminum frame keeps the aircraft surprisingly light, while supporting a pilot weighing up to 80 kilograms. The craft is powered by high-performance Madtox 16,000 mAh LiPo batteries and controlled through a 400 amp electronic speed controller, providing around 10 minutes of flight time. While 10 minutes might not be enough for a cross-country vacation, it's certainly long enough to make the neighbors wonder if the future has officially arrived. To keep the experience as smooth as possible, the quadrocopter includes a GPS stabilization module that allows it to hover steadily in place. This added stability transforms what could feel like balancing on a flying lawnmower into a controlled and exhilarating demonstration of personal aviation. This homemade aircraft is also designed to carry a pilot up to 80 kilograms, with an empty weight of about 71 kilograms. Sunpcom. At first glance, the Sunpcom Model 1 looks like a professionally engineered flying car, with a design that resembles the well-known Jetson 1. Surprisingly, this remarkable homemade eVTOL was built by an individual enthusiast in central China at home in a garage, demonstrating how innovation and determination can turn ambitious ideas into reality. The Sunpcom Model 1 was created around a simple vision, making personal flight easier, safer, and more accessible. Drawing inspiration from advances in electric propulsion and drone technology, its creator set out to develop a single-seat aircraft capable of vertical takeoff and landing without the need for a runway. Through numerous prototypes and flight tests, many of which were shared on the company's YouTube channel, the design evolved into a lightweight multi-copter that combines electric power with straightforward operation. Designed as a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, the Sun Pcom Model 1 uses multiple electric propellers to deliver stable takeoffs, hovering, and landings. Its ability to operate without conventional runways opens up exciting possibilities for personal air mobility. The open cockpit design not only provides excellent visibility for the pilot, but also helps keep the aircraft lightweight and efficient. More than just a homemade flying machine, the Sun Pcom Model 1 highlights how creativity, persistence, and modern technology are making the dream of personal flight more achievable than ever before. Concepto Millenia. Kix Mendiola is a Filipino innovator whose vision was born from a challenge familiar to millions: severe traffic congestion. Fascinated by aviation, engineering, and futuristic technology from an early age, he imagined a future where people could simply rise above crowded streets rather than remain stuck in them. Unlike many pioneers in the aerospace industry, Mendiola was not formally trained as an engineer or aviation specialist. In fact, Mendiola's background was far from aviation. He was a member of the renowned Philippine All-Stars hip-hop dance group. Driven by his passion for innovation, he invested his life savings into turning his dream of personal flight into reality. Instead of going for expensive classes, many of which he could not afford, he taught himself the principles behind flight and aircraft design through extensive research, experimentation, and hands-on learning. Before pursuing his flying car project, he gained attention for developing a hoverboard prototype using drone technology, proving that determination and creativity could overcome a lack of formal credentials. Early prototypes were built using components he could afford, forcing him to work around limitations and make the most of available technology. His first flying machines were little more than a chair suspended beneath a collection of propellers, but each test flight provided valuable lessons. Over the years, through persistence and continuous refinement, those humble beginnings evolved into the advanced aircraft seen today. What once seemed like a science fiction concept gradually became a functioning and increasingly sophisticated flying vehicle. The Concepto Millenia is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, commonly known as a flying car. Designed for a single occupant, it uses multiple electric motors and propellers to achieve stable flight without requiring a conventional runway. Its compact design enables vertical takeoff and landing, allowing it to operate in areas where space is limited. The aircraft represents Mendiola's belief that personal air mobility can one day become a practical solution to urban transportation challenges while building it yourself at home, demonstrating how passion, perseverance, and innovation can transform an ambitious dream into reality. Star 8 Green EMAV Sports Flyer. Building on the success of Concepto Millenia, Mendiola partnered with Star 8 Green to lead the development of the EMAV program. The project aimed to expand the capabilities of personal electric aircraft beyond a single-seat prototype and move toward larger, more practical vehicles for passenger transportation, air taxi services, emergency response, and cargo operations. The relationship between EMAV and Concepto Millenia is direct and fundamental. Concepto Millenia served as the technological foundation and proof of concept that inspired the broader EMAV family of aircraft. The engineering lessons, multi-copter architecture, and electric propulsion technologies demonstrated in Millenia helped shape the development of future EMAV designs. Together, these projects led to the introduction of Star 8 Green EMAV Sports Flyer. Designed as a single-seat multicopter for recreational flying and air racing, the Sports Flyer is part of the company's broader electric manned aviation vehicle program, which aims to advance sustainable personal air transportation. Built with a lightweight combination of carbon fiber composite materials and aircraft-grade aluminum, the EMAV Sports Flyer features an open cockpit design and fixed landing legs to reduce complexity and weight. Depending on the version, it uses between 16 and 20 electric motors and propellers powered by 4 battery packs. The aircraft is designed to reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, fly at a cruising altitude of around 328 feet, and remain airborne for approximately 20 minutes. Safety is supported through distributed electric propulsion and multiple redundant flight systems, allowing continued operation even if individual components fail. Star 8 Green promotes the Sports Flyer as an eco-friendly, low-maintenance aircraft that is compact, foldable, and intended to help make personal electric flight more accessible.